Yo guys, what's up and welcome back to Shaby's Reaction. So we've got Ranveer Singh back in beast mode. Dhurandhar 2 official trailer has dropped. And bro, I am so excited for this. So the last line they said was घायल हो इसलिए घातक हूँ. तो अब देखे ये जख्मी शेर इस बार क्या करता है. रहमान द कैट को तो ऑलरेडी मार दिया, तो आओ देखे जो बाकी बचे हुए किसे कैसे मारता है और क्या क्या होता है. So let's not waste any time and let's go.
हिंदू बहुत ही डरपोक कौम है. पड़ोस में ही रहते हैं हम. कूदे भर का जोर लगा लो और बिगाड़ लो जो बिगाड़ सकते हो.
हिंदू बहुत ही डरपोक.
That's the flashback, innit? When he was beating Rahman up. Actually, Khanna, when he killed him. So yeah.
रहमान डकैत की मौत के बाद लियारी की सड़कों पर खौफ और हरस का माहौल. कई मकामात पर फायरिंग और रॉकेट लॉन्चर के धमाके साफ सुनाई दिए जा रहे हैं. सबसे बड़ा सवाल, रहमान डकैत की मौत के बाद कौन बनेगा लियारी का बादशाह?
Hamza.
अरे रो क्यों रहा है लाले? तूने सुना नहीं? जहाँ दर्द है वहाँ मर्द है.
Chaudhary Aslam, I loved his character, Sanjay Dutt. And the song I'm liking as well, Aari, Aari, Aari. So I think they remade the song Naad Dil Par Destino. This one's another remake as well. So yeah, Jake. So introducing Jaskirat Singh Rangi. Jaskirat Singh Rangi. So I think we'll show a backstory of him. And let's carry on. I'm liking the song though. That's why I really want it.
अरे रो क्यों रहा है लाले? तूने सुना नहीं? जहाँ दर्द है वहाँ मर्द है.
My father raised me a winner. I would kill for my people. It don't make me a sinner. From the coast to the plains, everybody know the name. Coming from, we got bills to maintain. I make all that money like I'm winning a casino.
हिंदुस्तानी काफिर का सर काटकर मुशर्रफ के दस्तरखान पर रखा था मेजर इकबाल ने. खुदा कसम, अब एक और हिंदुस्तानी सर काटकर मुरीद के मीनार से लटकाऊंगा.
Okay. Oh.
ईंधन बदला. हौसला ईंधन बदला.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are still not ready for this.
बदला.
पाकिस्तान का मुस्तकबिल अब हिंदुस्तान तय करेगा.
Dhurandhar, the revenge. March 2026.
आपने बतखे तो बड़ी सफेद पाल रखी है अपने फार्म हाउस.
Right, this guy's a character, man. Jamil Jamali. I loved his character.
जरवारी
man.
साहब, आपने बतखे तो बड़ी सफेद पाल रखी है अपने फार्म हाउस में. या buttocks are really white.
Okay. That's all, yeah. Yeah. All right, bro. I enjoyed that, man, and especially Jamil Jamali, the politician, bro. He's a character, bro. Like he was one like comedy. There was a bit of a comedy that guy in the movie. But bro, I love it, man. I watched Durandar 1 and I loved it. And I watched it on Netflix. I watched it quite late. I didn't watch it in cinema. But this one I might watch in cinema. This one seems a bit more epic as well. So I want to check the trailer out again. So you know what? Let's check out the comments first. Came out a few hours ago, so let's check out how many views it's got, how many comments, likes, what people are thinking of this, and then we're gonna recheck it as well. So okay, अब पाकिस्तान का मुस्तकबिल हिंदुस्तान करेगा. अब पाकिस्तान का मुस्तकबिल हिंदुस्तान तय करेगा. Dhurandhar the Revenge trailer out now. Okay, wait, sorry. 18 million views in 9 hours. Wow. So people are very excited about this one. The film literally finished YNF Spy Universe. Director of Uri changed to director of Dhurandhar. Dhurandhar 1, you are not ready for this. Dhurandhar 2, you are still not ready for this. Yeah, you're right, because we were not expecting what happened in Dhurandhar 1, you know. So yes, hey, Daddy is home. Daddy bhag gaya. Toxic. Yash bhag gaya. So Yash has Toxic release date has changed, didn't it? Because both films were going to clash on Eid, but Toxic have changed it to 4th of June, I think. So yeah. So Daddy is home. Dhurandhar is house full. Fear is real when you realize 10 movies was postponed. Really? 10 movies were postponed because of Dhurandhar 2. Wow. इसलिए भाई सलमान खान भी नहीं इस बार आए, but we tell our future generation this was the Sholay of our time. Yeah? नहीं यार Sholay ही रहेगी. But you cannot compare this with Sholay. Sholay is an epic, and it will. I don't think nothing can beat Sholay. So yes, Gabbar Singh, my favorite villain of all times. Entire YRF, Dhurandhar Revenge. Okay, it's gonna be. Okay, this guy's got a lot of information. UK elsewhere. This movie all about the unknown gunmen, and the unknown men leave their signatures by headshot. Bro, I don't know, like that scene from Dhurandhar 1 when they showed the 9/11, sorry, not 9/11, 26, the Bombay, when it happened in Mumbai, 26/11, I think it was, wasn't it? Yeah. But that whole scene that really changed the whole movie. That scene just took the movie to the next level, bro. You know. So after that, I think a lot of people have got excited to see what he's gonna do next. Like, imagine that scene must have been very hard, because imagine he's a spy and he has to celebrate the terrorism going on in his own country. Bro, and he's saying Allahu Akbar at the same time. Bro, that scene which literally just changed everything, you know. So yeah, that's why I'm more excited to see what he's gonna do now, because bola tha ghaylo isliye ghatak hu. So yes, let's check a few more comments out and we'll check out the trailer again. A trailer longer than 3 minutes and still not a bit revealed about the plot. Aditya Dhar is locked the fucking. Okay, this is what movies should be like. The sequel should be out 2 months instead of making audience wait for 3-4 years. Everyone should learn from that. Bro, yeah, 100%. But this movie is all shot already. As everyone knows, so that's why they've put 2, because the movie would have got too long. It would have been like a 4-5 hour movie, because the first part was 3 hours plus. So I think this one, I don't know how long this was going to be as well. So they already had it ready. That's why they released it so quick. And plus the people are already hyped up because of Dhurandhar 1. So that's why I think they've done the right decision to just release it at the same time as well. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, stand all ready for this. Okay, Dhurandhar Hamza Ali Bazari, Dhurandhar to Jaskirat Singh Rangi. Okay, yeah, अभी Jaskirat Singh, they're going to show the backstory of Ranveer Singh. So अभी ये हमजा अली बजारी की कहानी नहीं होगी, अब ये जसकिरत सिंह की कहानी होगी और बताएंगे what he was, how he came a spy, how he got into this. और पहले से बोल रहे थे कि ये घायल है. So देखते हैं अभी इसकी क्या स्टोरी है, क्या वजह है जो ये यहाँ तक आया. So that's why I'm excited for the most to see what his backstory is, because they were showing small flashes of him, like when the bomb blast scene what they were doing, and they were showing his hands full of blood with his bomb in front of him. So I like that scene very much. So I'm excited to see what his backstory is as well. So bro, अभी बातें बहुत हो गई है और आओ देखें कि let's check this one out again.
पड़ोस में रहते हैं हम, कूदे भर का जोर लगा लो.
This was from the first movie, innit? The first opening scene when they were when they hijacked the plane.
और बिगाड़ लो जो बिगाड़ सकते हो.
हिंदू बहुत ही डरपोक.
रहमान डकैत की मौत के बाद लियारी की सड़कों पर खौफ और हरस का माहौल. कई मकामात पर फायरिंग और रॉकेट लॉन्चर के धमाके साफ सुनाई दिए जा रहे हैं. सबसे बड़ा सवाल, रहमान डकैत की मौत के बाद कौन बनेगा लियारी का बादशाह?
Better watch your head.
Bro, who was that he was swinging this at? Who is that? Is that Jameel Jamali? Is it?
रो
Look
क्यों
at
रहा
him
है
as well.
लाले? तूने सुना नहीं? जहाँ दर्द है वहाँ मर्द है.
My father raised me a winner. I would kill for my people. It don't make me a sinner. From the coast to the plains, everybody know the name. Coming from, we got bills to maintain. I make all that money like I'm running a casino.
हिंदुस्तान
Yeah, I forgot to mention one thing about Arjun Rampal. I think, like, from the first movie, I got a bit of a glimpse that he knows that Ranveer Singh is an agent or is an Indian. जब उसने बोला कि किसी ने खबर लीक कर दी, the way he was looking at him, you could tell that I think he knows something. And I feel like Rahman Daqait to chalo, but this one, Arjun Rampal is not gonna be an easy one to kill, and he knows. I feel like from the first movie he already knew what his background is. So yeah. Now I liked Arjun Rampal's acting as well, more than Akshay Khan. I loved Akshay Khan's acting, but I also liked Arjun Rampal as well. I loved his acting in this as well.
हिंदुस्तानी काफिर का सर काटकर मुशर्रफ के दस्तरखान पर रखा था मेजर इकबाल ने. खुदा कसम, अब एक और हिंदुस्तानी सर काटकर मुरीद के मीनार से लटकाऊंगा.
Yeah, see, he knows. I'm excited to see who she's gonna kill. What was her name? Yelena Jamali. So I liked her name as well. But let's see. पहली बार इसने बंदूक फोड़ी है बर्गर बच्चे, तो आओ देखे इसके किसके ऊपर बंदूक तानी है इसने.
हौसला, ईंधन, बदला. हौसला, ईंधन,
this.
पाकिस्तान का मुस्तकबिल अब हिंदुस्तान तय करेगा।
Oh yeah, wait for that scene. Jamil Jamali, wait. आ गया।
जरवारी साहब, आपने बतखें तो बड़ी सफेद पाल रखी है अपने फार्म हाउस में। या बटक्स आर रियली वाइट।
जरवारी साहब, आओ दे जरवारी साहब किसको
फार्म
बुलाएंगे?
हाउस में या बटक्स आर रियली वाइट।
Yeah, they didn't show him as well, so I think they're gonna show him in this movie. Zarwari Saab कौन है? And यार इसको नहीं मारना यार. I think they're gonna kill him. वो देख रहा था वो scene से. I think he's gonna kill him, and that's why Yelena will try to kill him as well. I think Ranveer will try to kill. मुझे लगता है ये मर जाएगा इस फिल्म में. But he's a character, bro. I loved his character. He's funny. पहले सीन से जब वो रहमान the cat के पास आता है, when his son dies, the first opening scene of his Babu the cat Rami. So that was very funny. Nange पैर आ गया था, bro. He was funny in the movie. So yeah, that's the reaction, bro. So I'm very excited for this, and I'm probably gonna watch this in cinema. आप बताओ आपका क्या plan है, आप देखोगे? Who's excited for this? And tell me in the comments what you're thinking of this as well. So if you're new to this channel, please like, share, subscribe, and until next time, keep it locked. So thank you so much.